Welcome to this powerful affirmation video created to help you manifest your desired job fast. Whether you are searching for your dream job, preparing for interviews, or looking to shift careers, these affirmations will reprogram your subconscious mind to attract the right opportunities. Remember, what you think, feel, and believe becomes your reality. By repeating these affirmations daily, you will align your energy with career success and open the doors for the universe to bring you the perfect job. Find a calm place, take a deep breath, and repeat these affirmations with faith, emotion, and belief. The more you commit, the faster results will appear. I am ready to receive my dream job now. I am confident, skilled, and qualified for my desired role. Every opportunity moves me closer to my career success. I trust that the universe is guiding me to the right job. I am a magnet for new opportunities and career growth. I attract the right employers who value and appreciate me. My talents and skills are recognized and rewarded. I am open to receiving abundance through my career. I believe in myself and my ability to succeed. The perfect job is already searching for me. I am grateful for the opportunities that align with my goals. Every interview I attend is a chance to shine. I walk into interviews with confidence and positivity. I am calm, focused, and prepared for success. I deserve a fulfilling, rewarding, and high-paying job. I am worthy of career success and financial freedom. My energy aligns with prosperity and growth. I easily attract supportive colleagues in a positive work environment. I am creating a successful and abundant career path. The job I desire is already mine, and I claim it now. These affirmations are powerful tools to shift your mindset, raise your vibration, and attract your desired job fast. Listen daily, repeat them with emotion, and visualize yourself already working in your dream career. The universe responds to your beliefs and feelings, so choose faith over fear, gratitude over doubt, and confidence over insecurity. Remember, your dream job is not just a possibility, it is your destiny. Keep listening, keep believing, and watch your career dreams manifest into reality. Thank you for being here. Your success is already on the way.